beauty is ubiquitous, it's everywhere. And so how do we make beauty right for each person? Tech really brings customization, personalization is an important aspect to bring beauty really for everyone, creating beauty for everyone. I really believe truly that personalization and true customization is kind of the only way to reach everybody in the entire world to really fit them. Our model is actually completely flipped. So we make every single bottle on demand, created for a single customer at a point of sale. This means actually zero inventory waste, total personalization. Customers could walk up and make nail polish and really watch it being made in front of their eyes. So Epson really has been this reliable backbone for us that provides the robustness that we need to innovate. By integrating the Epson Scara T3 robot, we are really bringing the precision and reliability of a proven industrial system into our ecosystem. And by having this consistency that really freed our team to focus on beauty-specific challenges.
We use the robots very differently than most folks. Most folks in factory environments or production, they're using the robots to move things around. We had a unique challenge at Blank where we're not just moving nail polish and dropping it to the customer, we're creating a product using the robot arm. So in this partnership, the robot arm, because of its reliability, can actually be used for precision manufacturing, and it was able to happen inside a store and not a dark warehouse. So because of the modularity of the robot, the flexibility, the reliability, everything allowed us to actually reconfigure and optimize our device and store on the fly.
The other thing that makes our partnership with Epson special is the technical support that we get from the team. Our relationship is not transactional. We're not just the buyer. The full partnership, we've have had their team visit us multiple times to provide us support as we write the code or program the robot, design the system. So yeah, the partnership has really been special. We feel like they're part of our team.
The relationship that we've been able to build with Blank has been second to none because it really forges that true partnership. It's fun to work again with companies like Blank Beauty that are really thinking outside the box and they're doing things differently. What is truly sustaining is when we work together with our customers and we forge partnerships that dig deeper into where we want to go together and where we see the future for whatever product, for whatever category, for whatever market that we're in.
Blank Beauty and Epson can create an opportunity where people who've maybe never worked with or seen robotics before can actually have it in a store and interface with that technology. So it's not just the execution and the scale side of, yes, we can order many robots and go to many stores. It also allows us to storytell and put robots and technology and true personalization in front of our customers.
And as this goes to market and as this begins to expand, that the power is put into the consumer now for choice and what their options are versus having to choose from one of the few preset colors that might exist in a retail space, I think is very exciting for the market. And it's definitely a differentiating and disruptive technology and product offer.